guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is episode 2 of my skincare series. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to head over to my Instagram where I explain all about my new series and where you guys get the chance to vote for whatever topic you want me to talk about in my next video. So I recently did a poll on my Instagram and you guys voted for texture. So today, guess what I'm talking about? Texture. It's going to be about how to get rid of skin texture and the things that you can do to implement in your routine. It's very simple and it's easy to follow, so don't worry about no 10-step routine. This is super simple. There are small things that you can change that can make your skin better. So let's start right from the beginning. We're starting off with cleanser. You need to make sure you're cleansing properly. If you don't cleanse properly, don't expect your next steps to be as efficient. The products might be absolutely amazing. You might be using the best serum, the best toner, the best moisturizer, and then if you're not cleansing right, don't expect those things to work properly. And the reason why I say this is because during the day we wear all sorts of things: makeup, sunscreen, primers. Girl, we got the whole shebang on. You need to be taking off those products properly, because if you don't, it's going to get in your pores and it's going to clog them. And guess what those clogged pores lead to? Texture. It can inflame your skin, it can give you white hairs, black hairs, bumpy skin. So that's why I say the first step, the cleansing step, needs to be 10 out of 10. Like, it needs to be spot on. So let's jump right into the first product. So I'm using an oil-based cleanser. This is not what I'm telling you guys to use. Absolutely not. You can use all sorts of oil-based cleansers. Basically, this is the one that I use because this is the one that works for me. Okay, as you can see, I'm looking like a grease ball. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly go and rinse my skin and show you guys what my skin looks like after. Okay guys, so now it's time for my second cleanser. So I use this CeraVe Blemish Control Cleanser. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and rinse my skin for the second time and show you guys what to do next. Okay, second step done. So my face is just going to dry itself now. The key to smooth skin, you guys, if you haven't heard already, I'm telling you right now, is exfoliation. You want to exfoliate your skin because that is what's going to take your skin from rough to smooth. And I'm not talking about sand scraping your skin. I'm not talking about using no physical exfoliants. Your skin is meant for gentle loving. So I'm talking about chemical exfoliant. What I always recommend for people that are struggling with skin texture is this peeling solution from The Ordinary. This little piece of art basically does so much for skin texture, you guys. It is a chemical peel. For those that do not know, it is something that's meant to be used in moderation. The reason why this is absolutely fantastic for texture is because it's got salicylic acid in it, and if you didn't know, salicylic acid is an amazing exfoliant for pore congestion. Like I was saying before, a lot of people wear makeup, sunscreen, and if that's not removed properly, it can get in your pores and cause pore congestion, leading to texture. So this little thing stops all of that. I'm going to show you how I use it. I tend to set a timer for 10 minutes because you don't want to leave this on your skin for too long. And as you guys probably saw me do, I avoided this under eye area bit because your under eyes are very sensitive. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and rinse it off and come back and jump right into the next step. So my face is now dry. This is how it looks. I absolutely love this product, you guys. Next up is toner. It is time to tone our skin. So I typically continue my exfoliation routine by using this Pore Zero toner. The reason why I use this one instead of any other toner, especially when it comes to textured skin, is because you don't want to over exfoliate your skin. So I try to find like a natural alternative. This has got willow bark in it, which is basically like a natural alternative to salicylic acid is what I'm trying to say. This is why I kind of lean more towards this one. Again, it's a BHA, so you are going to get that deeper exfoliation, but it's gentle. That's why I tend to go for this one. This is really, really good. Next up, we're gonna use a serum. So serum comes after toner. I absolutely love this serum here from The Ordinary. This is the Niacinamide serum. This one is known for pore care, pore health, pore everything. If you are someone that struggles with like enlarged pores or anything, this is your girl. Like, this is absolutely fantastic for that. That is what this product is known for. So it basically calms irritated skin. That's why this one is very good for using after the chemical peel, or if your skin just feels irritated itself. This is really, really great. So this is how my skin looks after applying the niacinamide. As you can see, it just gives you a nice glow. I use it every single day. That's why I always talk about it and I can vouch for it. It's really, really good, you guys. Now that we've done everything, it's time to moisturize our skin. So I use none other than CeraVe's smoothing cream. It's literally in the name, you guys. This will smooth out your skin. I use this for my body when I'm trying to get rid of my strawberry skin, strawberry legs, body texture, body acne. This is very, very good, and it works so well on your face as well. This is known to exfoliate, smooth, and hydrate rough, bumpy skin. So that is literally everything in one. It's got salicylic acid in it, so again, that is the exfoliator. That is good for texture, it's good for acne, so that's definitely going to get rid of any like roughness and bumpiness that you might have on your skin. So I'm going to show you guys just how I apply it. So I just add maybe like 3 swatches. It is quite heavy, so you don't actually need too much. Moisturizer done, we got it in lock. So next up is sunscreen. You guys probably already knew this. It's probably predictable at this point. I always talk about sunscreen. If you are exfoliating your skin, especially with BHAs, which exfoliate deeper into your skin, you're gonna leave your skin to be exposed to the sun a little bit more. It literally says on most of these products that I have showed you today. I try to go for something that's like 50 plus. Anything below 30 for me is not enough, so 50 is just perfect. Now the reason why sunscreen is so important, you guys, is because you can cause yourself sun damage if you don't wear sunscreen, and sun damage is basically one of the biggest causes of skin texture because it can give you redness, it can give you irritation, it can make your skin dehydrated, and all of that will lead to very obvious textures. So that's me with the sunscreen done. That is the products that I would use if I was trying to get rid of skin texture. I really hope you guys have found this video useful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment, don't hesitate to DM me as well. That is perfectly fine. So I will catch you on my next episode, which you can vote for now on my Instagram for episode number 3.